We rarely have evictions. Our tenants love where they live. Everybody complains because I don't rent to somebody without a 630 credit score. Well, that's what we do. And we do that because people with a 630 credit score want a certain quality of life. Somebody with a 300 credit score, they want a different quality of life. And you can say, well, that is bullshit. Maybe, maybe not, but in our experience, it's true. People with a 630 credit score pays their bills. People with a 300 credit score don't care about their credit score. They don't pay their bills. They don't care about tearing up your property. What you gonna do? I got no money. You can't do anything.
Because there's so many landlords that don't repair things, don't pay for things, don't fix things up to any sort of standard.
There's a lot of landlords like that because I don't. I think there are some landlords like that. I think the large majority of landlords are just like me. They want the absolute best thing they can give to their tenants. They want to give them the best property they can give them because the best product I provide gives me the opportunity to have a multiple year leaser. And I have people that have rented from me for more than 15 years. Is that tenant worth their weight in gold to me? Yes. That means I haven't rehabbed it. I haven't done anything to the house except normal maintenance, normal wear and tear on that piece of property for that period of time. I have a tenant that moves in and they got a 300 credit score and they go in and 2 weeks after they move in, I got to repaint every wall and I got to replace floor and I got to fix cabinet doors ripped off. I got holes punched in the doors. I mean, and I'm not profiling somebody with a 300 credit score. I'm saying that this is a tendency that seems to happen.